everyone, this is Srivastal. In today's video, we're doing an experiment called Automated Speed Tracker, only using two piezoelectric sensors and an Arduino Uno. So now let me explain the instruments used in this experiment. So there are two piezoelectric sensors, two LEDs which are connected to two other resistors, a breadboard, an LCD display, a buzzer, the power bank, and most importantly the Arduino Uno. It acts like a CPU to all of this. So now let me explain the function of each instrument. So when this car goes over sensor A, the reason the LED lit up and the buzzer made a sound and why the LCD display showed racing is because the voltage change that the Arduino Uno detected was more than the threshold, which is 0.5 volts. So after that, when the car goes over sensor B, this LED will switch off while this LED lights up for 10 seconds. And the Arduino Uno made a calculation that, for example, this is 1 meter. And this car took 2 seconds to get from sensor A to sensor B. So the Arduino Uno would do 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. So the LCD display would show 0.5 meters per second and the time it took, which is 2 seconds. Also, the buzzer makes a longer beep indicating that the race is over. So now let me explain the wire system to you. So you see every single thing on the negative rail is connected to the ground. So in the Arduino Uno, there are two things in power: 5 volts and ground. So 5 volts goes to the LCD display or LED display, and in the analog input, A0 and A1 go to sensor A and sensor B. A4 and A5 go to the LCD display. So in the digital pins, the digital pin 8 goes to the buzzer, which is connected also to the negative rail on the breadboard, which is basically ground. And the two other digital pins, D2 and D3, are connected to resistors, which are connected to LEDs. So what the resistor does is it decreases the current to what the LED leads. So if there's too much current, the LED won't blow up. And this whole Arduino Uno is powered by the power bank. So now let me explain how this can help in real life. So we have created a novel way of calculating speed of each car on the road. So this methodology could be used in real life since it only uses two piezoelectric sensors and an Arduino Uno. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.